Late getting started this morning. It's just 10 o'clock, which is late for me. Got home last night and there was a da-da-da-da-da-da-da noise whenever I put my foot on the clutch. So I've been around the mechanic this morning and the thrust bearing's gone. So I've managed to get it booked in for next week, beginning of next week. So that's going to be £510. But you know, the van's 13 years old. It's cost me nothing over the years. I've never really had to do anything to it. I've had a new cam belt on it and serviced obviously, but apart from that, never had anything to do with it. So yeah, new thrust bearing, £510 plus VAT. But one of those things, I'm afraid. So now I am going, I might as well get cracking and get some work done. So let's go. So I got up this morning and I'm sat reading my comments on YouTube, and there was a really interesting question here from Ben Kavanagh, and he said, may I ask Dave, I've been doing water-fed pole for around 10 months now, been watching you and others on YouTube, been going for years. If you have a good round, why do you need to do first cleans? If you have a good round with good customers, why need more, unless you say expanding the company? So I thought that was a really good question, and I'll have a go at answering that today.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a journey.
The first reason I pick up more customers is to consolidate my round. I'm in quite a rural area. There's 3 reasonable sized towns around by where I live, but even so I don't go much further than probably 5 miles from home. So I'm constantly getting jobs closer and closer to where I live. That's less travelling, less time out of the day, making more money. So that's reason number 1. The second reason is to improve the quality of your round. So you always get 1 or 2 that take a bit long paying, or don't pay at all sometimes, or you get ones that regularly miss cleans. So maybe they're supposed to be every month or even every couple of months, and when you go, no, don't do it this time, can you leave it till next time? Maybe those are ones to think about getting rid of and replace with some better work.
Maybe just a little bit foolish, just go a little crazy, lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights. We've been on enough again and again.
Reason number 3 is to keep your round fresh. We've all got those jobs that we've had for a while, maybe not put the price up, got, you know, just a bit fiddly, a bit bored of doing. Well, you can always cut those out if you want to and replace them with some better work.
Give me a sign, oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it. Cause I want you close, I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign, oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more second till you're right. Here we go again, staying up.
Number 4 is a recession coming. In my opinion, that we are going to go into a recession. The countries spent millions, billions on this COVID thing. So I think we're going to have to pay it back. So there's a recession coming. And we started business just before the last recession in 2007, the big one. We've been going about 6 months and we lost a lot of work. So I wouldn't be surprised if we start losing a bit of work. It's good at the moment, but we're going to start losing it soon, I'd have thought. Window cleaning is a luxury after all, and if you've got no money and you're not working, you're not going to pay the window cleaner. So get the new customers while you can.
I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off.
I'll come to reason number 5 to get new customers is any of the old ones that you don't want anymore, you can sell. And the good thing about it is you're allowed, I think it's £12,000 a year that you're allowed to claim on capital gains tax. So unless you sell it for more, the work that you don't want for more than 12,000, you don't pay any tax on it. So that's a good incentive to sell it and make a few quid. So any that you replace, don't just stop going, keep going, but arrange for somebody else to go take over from you. You get 3 or 4 times the value of the job, you know, and it soon adds up. So yeah, definitely worth selling your customers.
Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. Again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going.
So I hope that explained to you a bit why I keep getting new customers, even though I've got existing customers and existing round I've had for years. It just changes it up a bit, keeps it fresh, keeps the money coming in, consolidates your round, and you can sell the customers that you're no longer doing and make profit that way. So I hope you found this interesting. I hope this answers your question for you, Ben. If it has, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all